Hello guys, I just thought I'd share this with you, but I was driving down I-25. It's about 5:40 in the morning, and there's this I noticed this big giant bonfire on the side of the highway. It's basically I-25 in Belleview, and I wasn't sure what it was, so until I came back around. But here, I'll show you what I'm looking at. Just when you watch the video, just look to your right, and you'll see the fire and the trucks and everything got the exit blocked. But it's I-25 in Belleview. I was headed south, and it was about 5:40 in the morning. All right, now I'm headed back. Northbound I-25, and it was after daylight, and they pretty much got the fire out. It was still smoking, but here's what I seen.
When the magic of the holidays inspires you, King Soopers is here to help turn it into something delicious. So bring on the basic.
Yep. If you guessed it was a trash truck, that's what it was. It was one of them natural gas trash trucks. I guess you had a mechanical problem. Caught on fire, and well, yeah, it was burning like crazy. But hope everybody enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. Until next time, God bless.